All right, here we are in the harbor on the 2011 38-foot Edwing Delta-style house. We got it running, fired up and running right now. We got the Alaskan diesel furnace going. See, we got both the D6 370s fired up. A couple of new additions to the boat that the current owner put in. He put this new overhang in for a little bit of protection on the back deck. There's the skiff. There's the skiff davit on the roof. The sodium's on the roof. Pot storage on the roof. Plenty of pot storage. Hydraulic anchor windlass. And a hydraulic pot puller on the back deck. See here's the Webasto diesel furnace exhaust. Side door entry to the helm.